Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting with the essentials. You must be signed into the Gmail account in a compatible browser. Open Gmail, go to Settings and enable desktop notifications, choose New Mail Notifications on. Once done, accept the browser prompt to allow notifications from mail. Google.com. If the prompt disappears, check the URL bar's lock icon to re-enable permissions. Make sure your OS Notification Center isn't muted so alerts can appear. Now you'll tune the browser and operating system so notifications behave. In Chrome or Edge, open Site Settings for Mail. Google.com and explicitly set notifications to allow. This overrides previous blocks. On Windows, turn off Focus Assist or add Gmail as an allowed app. On Mac OS, enable alerts for your browser in System Preferences. Once configured, send a test email from another account to confirm you get a banner, sound, and badge. If not, finish by restarting your browser so all permission changes take effect. That often resolves lingering issues. If you still don't receive alerts, disable extensions like ad blockers or privacy guards and test again because they can intercept notification APIs. If that fails, reset site permissions for mail. Google.com in the browser. Remove the rule, close the browser, reopen Gmail, and re-grant notification access. This reset is the single best troubleshooting step to restore desktop Gmail notifications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.